Hey everyone, okay, so got these to test. Bought them, got them to test, called Lunar Bronze. And there is an Eclipse, a tanning mousse, and Illume, which is a tanning mist. Now I'm going to use the tanning mist. So what I'm going to do is have a shower, wash up, come back, and then we'll apply this tan. So let me just sort of say outright, I'm not a big fan of fake tans. I don't tan, I wear sunscreen, I'm happy with the colour of my skin. My skin comes off darker on camera than it really is in real life. I'm very fair. And there's also that thing with fake tans where I always feel a bit dirty with it on. And also, because I can only do my face, because I'm not doing my body, it's ridiculous, I'll always have white hands and a brown face. But this product is supposed to be amazing. It smells of mandarin, lemon and orange blossom. It does not smell like fake tan at all. And apparently it's got a very olive base, so no orange. So I'm gonna have a wash, I'll be back in a sec. Okay, all showered and clean. So I'm going to be applying the mist, and I'm not going to mist it on my face because that's just too haphazard. So what I've done is I've decanted some into a little dish, and I'm going to apply it with one of my makeup brushes. Now, these are my makeup brushes. The original one was the brown one, and then they became white. They actually started their life white, and then before I just coloured them brown. So the originals were actually white and they were coloured brown. Then I thought that's a lot of hassle and cost. So I went back to the original colour of the white. That's the only difference in them, because people sometimes wonder. So I'm going to be using my brush, and I'm just going to dip it in to the product, get it wet, and I'm going to just buff it all over my face. And this way I know I'm getting an even coverage of it, rather than just hoping for the best with the mist. And what I'm doing is I'm applying it to all these areas, and at the very end I'll go over the beard area. So I'll go over the neck, I'll go over kind of right the way down here, and as best as I can behind the ears, over the ears, my big old red ears. And now whatever's left, I'm going to take over the beard line, because fake tans always turn my beard orange or ginger, and I don't actually have ginger hair, so I would prefer not to have a ginger beard, though I adore ginger. I think red is such the most beautiful colour. Right, and I'm not going to waste any. So there's still a little bit left. So this is a clean brush, and can you see it's starting to turn already? So we will see in the morning whether or not I look, and I will go over my eyelids in a second. We will see in the morning whether I look like I have a tan, and if it's a good one. God, I hope it is. I really do. This is the problem with testing things you've never used before. You know, you just don't know. Ugh. And a quick wipe over the eye area. Right then. What I will do is I will film first thing in the morning with mental hair, and I'll see you then. Bye bye. Hey everyone, okay, so it is morning and this is the result. So it is quite subtle. Now in real life my skin still looks pretty pale, but again, as I mentioned, that the camera makes things darker than they really are in real life. But it's quite a subtle change, and I like it. It doesn't look orange to me. It hasn't stained my beard a bizarre colour either, which is really, really good. Now bear in mind this one that I used, which is the spray, it is designed for the face, and it does have a more subtle effect than the Eclipse, which I'm too scared to use right now, just in case, because I've seen some before and afters, and you can go really brown with that. But I'll put links down there anyway so you can check it out, but there you go. Nothing on my face. Just woke up. See you next time. Bye bye.